Wakira vya mwancho murire Getembe TV ritko nere Ijumaa tariki 29 matukabiro katigaire mutinyo yega ugatano na gatatu onyare wakanse twarabatevanga July and August nere mitinyirie bwate gose consecutive months erie kwairana matuko 31 ego mutinyo yega kera mutukatigira biroka iga ande tunyara goso mutinyo kianda andake nayo bwate okubwa ose nayo genderete kwibikira etiki asubugi moboiga nkai iwaikire ande muno ase omwako iga marorao kai kwa yaikiri na boigona kiro kunya ukonyore ritukaserinde matukaro nagenderete kominyoka akegima ne abantu mbagendete gukina emyaka negendete goska abande mbagendete kogenda bosio abande mbagendete maite woniga mbaroro bagukina mbaroro bagendete kogota miti ose no mbwate tase narogo ikaiga nande bono kwa nyoranga ekere myaka bune myaka konya kogenda bono no bo tubugendete konya goso kulinde itali mangana onye koro musae kore omonto moke ugukina bono iga anyara kone kibuna marorawo na bagukora gucia seka ugoika no chaka ukoike myaka iri yogo chaka kogota kwanyora ebintu bikugucandake andake nebintu bitari biri byo kunya kwirana nanga ango nakorete iga korinde tari mangena ase ritukiriga ari abene moncho muri korinde nengoro yane gucha sebonsi bari ase chinyumba chebirero ase mambi yabono naboigo bari emebere konyunyunta okubwena kwa bwango kurinde erinde tunyare guchaka ime murubire gabwitwani ya Getembe TV karibu sana sangana nche asichinse mocha Facebook na boigo YouTube Getembe TV masemo kose live nchenguru kwa Matilda uibo boigo na cross studio kabere nere Mike Wisdom ndio mono omwancho muri kurine kuro asensemo yekeunga yongo chaka kuro ase county ya Nyamira ekiro mwakilishi wa bangina muskeje rusha mumanyi anyare kubore bamenyi be county yo kogendera komwo koboko muraibwense na boigo kwa gosira serikali ya Kenya kwanza ka ukona ime ya umucho Nyamira litkorigoro nigo anyalete gotebune serikali enene nero yabirige kwene kya magendero na boigo gwikirania magendero amange na boigo nekira kuburi abamenye banyale gwanjana na boigo kubaterana ase onsi alia gukorekana umurikito Fatgad Gisemba na ruvoti rwa senchira ya bene
Homo wakirishi bwa bangina imeye kaunti ya Nyamira omuskeche rusha mumanyi nigo asentundeye akwaneire amagenderero ayo arorekanire ase kaunti ya Nyamira anene chinga kechiga are oyomobo asabarai baria bakwa okoboko serikali eregeti egati yabo okurariwa wipara ya Bondeni Magombo eyo ikageire guchia kubekwa irami
Mochumba Steve Mugabe tukabatebina gaki eyero yatire kire myaka bantu bagutabateba nga ejana tukubarose lakini ese bono iga na itukugenda bali gotebya bantu ngatu atigara torete bintu ase serikali hoika motora teri pale ne pale ya nero kutake very soon
boigo asubuya bonde borati Nyamira kubwatikana ne university eyo amagacha manene arache kwigekwa kya Banyoru nigo boigo ase bunge ya West Mugirango aborokiwa abo barache gosomera ubunyagitari barache gosomera ase nyagitari enene ya Nyamira
ntwatomete vice chancellor ya Kisi University egiye gotakorera university eri itutwarwanira tukareta no bale ngejagitari bakorete mbasa veti kabisa bakanyora nganyagitari ya ito nebwate bintu bike bagocha kukinia erinde school ya medicine etakire na nursing iga seito
ensemo yaye omo MC bwe wodi eyo Duke Oyagi Masira nigo agenderera kumusegeta omuskeche rusha mumanyi agenderere gutigara ase serikali eregeti eryo obuya obonge ogendere gocha Nyamira
ayuanda matiangina chacha karo litwa chire guchiange ono ntwe ngata to benjara nganto ko ganyite liri gaki no ntoko na bonyore ngendo ko uria to kanyerete
ayonsi nigo akwanwa asomoyiga bokubwatuka ema naboigo ugusira ebyombe bya bodaboda ase ekenyoro kia geseneno township west mugirango omoyiga boigo omosike cherusha abasemia abana kubaigwera abaibori babo amo nakira omoibori gukora ensemo yaye buna enchira eyemo yugukura kisegi chegenga ase eyamate
naibo abana bari moro ate abaibori baino moibori tari nseye oraganirie omwana oyamabe nokora aigo kugenda bukuja kumaimwa ngagogocha kabonora abaibori batebi moise inikende njeti mwati yanga mne yanyarebe onete iyo yakora kuita kubore kama anchana ege toke kor gender based violence esi chinga cheito abantu ba wanire abantu baitanire ugochikora mukao bagukwana iyo baronge mukungune nabwene to gukwana ke romo sacha naye gogochiko okora alikuwa letire ndo mukumbula kunye kera kikwaleta ane bagarase nyumba tekendale gokora ikaganyerete ekikwaleta ruge keigo yeitabe
chingaki echecho nigo akwanira siasa cha Nyamira ase agenderera gusingirira bona asobo chorio bonene bore bosio nigo arachikorigia obugabana bwa Nyamira
moranje bana ane tutam na ane tutam mudete bana tutagete kanana
Hingo ripota Gatembe kurwaiga geseneno Township West Mugirango Fatigad Kisemba
Wanjo murigereria ayagati abarai abakuru ase county ya Kisii nigo bono banyari kwegerera igitambukiro kyo mujumbe omukuru webunge ya Kitutu Masaba omosike Timothy Bosire kyo kwarigania naboigo kwarigania egeikaro kyo kobeka usikyo ukwanera obomo bomugusi asensemo ya Kericho ukwana nabariki bamangana maya emeyo mucho busongo litukore igoro nigo obono igati abarai abo banyarite gotobuna egeikare kyo nkiabwate gusingiare kwegekera nsemo ende yonsi na nkiare kwegerera nsemo ende yonsi ya gisiasa kolende kirengani ko kiarenge ukuraria omorembe nabo igokubwatana nabuna egisaku kyomugusi
okogenda gwaito Kericho eso mosike busira turangeretie ntuto cheti ko support yonde nga tu support yonde tuwagende tamo buno mugusi ochamo buno mugusi nande kine yentu taibano ya chaka korekana ngia korekanete no nekere mwaka nyaringi moyo igo tigato babe buno mugusi tobeke birenge bibye itamo torare na itungi tubwenerete go okora ke ebe siasa ebo amagenderero ebe buna tubwenete komenya na nchirindi.
It's therefore absurd for anyone to insinuate that the various groups of leaders and representatives of organizations attended because of the use of the name of Honorable Matiang'i. If anything, the coming together was to solidify the base for the son of the soil in his quest for the presidency. And those present support the idea. Honorable Bosire seized the opportunity and led the process as indicated in the series of talks. Otherwise, he has no objection to being led as long as the call is Omogusi first.
Bono nentu tuiranirenka etutegete koberanka tukwane gintu gitukera tokonye igeye ntu tugosaba abantu baminta bagusi gaki mwensi pa magara inchwamo turangeri gochibuo toche turagire turangeri yonde nero tutagete turangeri gochibuo toche turagire no ani njentu are mangana iga nabongo barangeri moje mbatevi nintagete ko bagento gete tigatwe mangana ajo konya gochimbana tobe buronge no ani ntubono iga no ani president yeturangeri naho tuguika atotebie binta atagete lakini amanye nangu epanga tole tumanye na mangana yanga kyakoba
abasaya abake nigo baborigwe gosika abarai bari ase chiabisi ao naboigo bari abaraire kurwa ase amatuko amagega ayega korengana nomo MCA omukuru bwe ward ya Kiogoro omosike Samuel Apoko oyobono onyare kworokia okogechigwa kwae kubwatekana nechinkwana chiabasaya anamuno bari asensemo yokwambĩrĩria serikali babiri bagukwana chinkwana chiri chiokogecha iguru ya barai gose ekero bagenderete kumuraga ebyara omujumbe omukuru w'ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba omoske Timothy Bosire.
Na arigereire for the last 2 weeks siasa ya Gusii ndende gotera abantu bamintu ngai tuna Gusii na bantaba regardless of molengo siasa tole tuna bantaba abasongo bagotanga we live in principle but we remain be friends tigatoka ndeska tokora siasa to ikanyo to koira na magaro batumira na bantaba mana muramo na basikaro ono ne issue naroche abana bake bakurama omugambyo moneno beiro subugambi for a long time yo mintu Gusire ole treasurer ya ODM tendama nyo sorsaini usino are ustayo injasa paso na za salida na ndino muntu kwende kanisa na ndo muraiwe kanisa abarai ebagusi na yego kurama na yego gutumigu n'abantu bandi nabona asabiri ng'abana bamintu mutugundu boronge nekyo kwegwa kwali na gutakuna because omwana omoke gotena kurama Gusire omuntu monene it does not make sense. Gusire, I don't subscribe na ideologies chia kisiasa, but I respect him as a leader of Gusii. Toremereranie wicheba molengo turabe kiro yomo lakini amaskani atoke no bwanjani ena rira nyarekane tukaranse na Gusii tugwana nabo lakini so tukizari ngenje yo kuramana yero na kanire na inche no yoma poko tintagete konyorekana no muntu obero burai ngante nina asigete nkuramo umuntu murayo why patige nduge tutagete post Kristo simwasa barai bari nero
Nanjira yomo yokorutuza na kunengia obutumiki bw'ekibesa kya serikali nigobono ekamati erimanyekanete na Decentralized Funds Accounts Committee kuse DFAC kurwa ase serikali enene nigobono litikore goro yanyarete gutarira ebunge ya Bonchari ase okoringoria nabo igokurigereria gusikomorikera obutumiki bw'ekibesa kya ekigancha kya CDF ase ebunge yo Munyakirogo Honorable Gideon Omulungi nigobono anyarire goteba oikabaire getambukiro igitindi ase ogotanyara kwerera ipuna chibesa chire chimilioni 3.5 cyanyarete ko bachigutumika omurikito anko diponasanya kurwa Bonchari
Hasetaro ye kamati kurwa serikali nene manyekanite muna Decentralized Funds Account Committee uchase chi county ao nigo ritukulia lero barawa no Munyakirego Gideon Mliungi sogotarira ebunge ya Bonchari meye county ya Kisii asokoro totobo tumeki wechibesa chiekegancha gia NGCDF.
We have come to listen to the committee that was overseeing this project, which we normally call Project Management Committee or PMC, together with the fund managers who are in charge of this project, and also the board, members of the board of CDF from Nairobi, representing the CEO.
Kuwatikana no kumurungania kwa bamenyi bensemeyo igoro yobotumekyo bobe bwechibese kyo.
And they have given evidence. We are going to unravel the evidence and come up with our recommendations on the way forward. But it is clear that some money totaling 3.6 million is not clearly known where it went.
Ukone kerekyo ekamati yeyu ekurose serikali nene.
We do not want any PMC in Kenya to soil the name of CDF. CDF, which we examine and gov, these are funds which come from the national government and then go to the villages, which have impacted the lives of many people in the villages.
Komenta na yueni go bakwanira igoro yoko na weji basari kuchasa borokigwa na boigo kuchasa chiskuru.
CDF issues bursary checks to the student carries the bursary check, goes to pay in the school issues a receipt, the student goes home with the receipt. The student does not return the receipt to CDF.
omubunge o West Mugirango Steve Mogaka uyibo igorenge asege karekyo nigabo lya chikamati chionsi gotika gotamira ababunge asobotumiki bwe chibesa.
Don't attribute any alleged loss of CDF money to any member of parliament. It is a management of by a board who have employees called fund managers, and the MP has nothing to do with it.
Nonyinabo nigo bamubolia Auditor General Nancy Gathungu.
I've also summoned the Auditor General to our committee to come and shed more light on where she thinks that 4.1 billion went, because she may have an idea. We are going to crack our whip. Our teeth are going to bite. We are not going to allow any PMC to mess up CDF.
Kuripoteria gatasinikia ukiagatembe kuruga sicha bisi cha CDF imeye bunge ya Bonchari chigotoka somo chiosuneka elitana na inkoro kwa Dipon Hasanya.
Mwancho murigereria ya mate ya mokoro ase chinsembo chia mubamba iyo gotoka ime ya Keburigo county ya Nyamira nigo bono yeso kirie na kuboria kubwatesigwa iri kumurusia omwanchobo ase nkendo kolengana na mate yo Mugaka Onyancha Ondoro nigo anyalite kumusiria omwana waye omanyakanite buna Daniel Onyancha oyo wano oberera ase nkendo moime yo mochie Eldoret kusomochie Eldoret ase egeka egetambe bono na boigo nigo anyale korera buna nigo bwate ebill eyere weka enusu million bono nigo amate yo yesokire na kuboria abare no moyo bugwanchoko ya kubasira na boigo erinde banyare kumwenia omwanchobo asinjira ire ya maskani omuriketo Polkap Okara korochinse moicho
yamate gayo Mugaka Onyancha Ondoro kurwastinse mechi gache kanyerukia mobamba Kibirigo niko baereire enchira omwancho basireta David Mumeroka nyareta koga gusira ubugema bwaye oyo otegete bili ase enyagitari na wigone bili yenkendo eyerweka enus million yendo kyagendera ko bage ko bali omotu kyandage komi
amana wani mugudani ya Mumeroka na bale ali ko kolega sibo bundi boke kaya ikanjira kanyora chari yebige ko mubuno ko ko ana kaya bune ka nyagitari ale kangben wa munya ngeta ya kabege lituma akangben akataka garataka na akataka ende ko we parera kaliberi ya bane bintu biyanye alimone ndwaye kamera kumuboka akasa kulwara bunanga ke ala cha kairo nyagitari gatoka ngata kero kubekerwe chuma akero chiba hajabura ekeginga kiyaye kawanirwa akairo nyagitari akabumura nagwena kyana erategemea asenka nande kaigwa baire uya akachaka kogenda gochweli yake nande ndwali wono yagiteka mubwato bwangoiga akairwa Eldoret igatoka nga inyagetari erifaro tebwatibaga akairwa rescos omwali yoye igabe twange week osirire
yamategeka nigo yareire njira yatemere kurigia obokonyo iyo banyariko bagwakane bile ligakorende nigo basinyirwe ase baereire enchira babwate obototo
mbwati kendo mukyo nane gisinini mwana oyo ananero uriko kurwanirira abana naende nabagwike esitoro toko nabo tubwate obokongo obonene ndubwati kende abana ntubwate muchito kende ngeya
epiri igo yachite gotoka nga igera nge nusu milioni nka kende nkeyo omwaka Onyancha ogotire n'omong'ina omorugi oya naro bata abana batano kende nkeyo none ngoko baraonie esire kende na ntulendo na baisamoke ntubwati kende
ono nigo besokire guchase kinyomba cy'uburaria n'inchire yemo yo kuburia barayi bali no moyo bwancha wesoke bunenchire yemo yo kweneke buna ngusirwa bali eliko nyarako bakoleto mwanchobo oyura sinkendo asinsa mu kiricha Eldoret elio banyarako bakomwenia
mwanango ikolerango sabanga serikali gakimonde matakwanye ngane na be andi twaire mwana muna bono yo minto Jeremia Migosi oyo minto Kemoni oyo minto Filemoni ya Piemi na botogo saba okonya gukurwa asemole musire nkeye yo mwako Onyancha no mongino ya Merani omwana oyo osireirwe okurukusabina igaro omwana omokenera bwango igo mubere no ramusalikira iga lakini wabaire buya tena toito okongo mugeni aliki twasabira okonya gokurwa asore mo gumanere mongina Cherusa mumanyi oigwekerero giaito na inwa bangina ngoma etumu na abana bago chando mongina karako banyora twasabira mosoyo okoboko omoe musi ito Julius Matwere twasabire otosire no maetenke yondoro boigo musani o monene tiuki masira uyagi elinde batusire nkeje na intutonyora okonyeka oyo minto emirinya garama mo minto chanua na abanda abange na batogo sabanga matokonya eli umusigo yoere eli etariata atari bakwe
igingo ripoti rigetaseni kya wajite kya gatembe kora igame ya kaunti ya Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp okara
Mwancho murigereria abantu nigo basegetirwe koba maiso igoro yechindagira chiria bakuria eri okinya obonyamasi ase emibere yabo oigo esegeto igoro yokonyora oboringoria kira chingaki ase chinyagitari nigo bono yanyare kubekwa ayaiga nkorengana no mugaka omanyekanete na Nelson Munari Ongwae korwa chinsemo cha Nyagoto ime ye ward ya Sensia ase county ya Kisii oyobo igo segetiria basaye kwirenda na wetanga korwase obutumiki wa mariogo oyogotinde omulikito Daniel Ontiri
ogokwa kumongina Salome Nyabokongwae w'imyaka minene kurwase kinyiro kya Masongo imyasinsi ase county ya Kisii nigo kwabete ogugwa kwokonene ase amatiga y'omugaka Nelson Munari Ongwae Nyagusira nigo hari ngina muke omugavana omukoro we county ya Kisii omosike James Ongwae boigo moibuli omwabo omongina Grace Ongwae anigo asiretie obugima bwaye litukuligoro
mwario yebo natwatebanitie twatebania moisoni nere twakwata bakwana nere twakwani twakurire kwa saa 3 kamwagire kwa hili bana tugatogende nere akateba bana sabati amba sabere muyende biya akara abasabira kura bakagenda mu Machakos abagenda Machakos saa butuko saa 8 nari bagotebungo osile
kubatekana nayo omugaka Nelson nigakwanira igoro y'obugima bwaye na Nyagusira nabuna nigo abeire obugosiro konene kuri omwaka bweri bwemo 1953 ase babetamo no bwanchani nabagasisenigwa nabana batano noyomo
ayiwerete alanyanchite muntu kuburia okuigwa kukiretiga kwende eri bano mwe kagari mwa mugakere igo bono nokuguna na charity kigera ta kuri kende itarahegwa na nje na nyine riaru ari nyumba atari kuri ndagira otengendagira iyo nyamwaro tari mugaka ka mugaka
asinkwana yaye boigo nigakwanire gati ikisababu chikwirira amurwire goikaransira bantu boigo wetera sogotanyora uwenya buwenerete hasi chinyagitari
mwete no nyagitari yo muntu kugenda ororo kuchiko cheki kure onye tubati omuntu kongosara bote runga mosena marerie kuriete takunenta kuri kariente tere yogenda kumbu burwire mbukararia kare nyuma ukaburiete
asense mwende nigaru esegeto igoro yechendagira chibwenete kuliegwa na orwa chisababu chiaye
tere buna bana kwa mubano muntu kunywa marwa mange oikabo gimabwaye bobwenye muntu kunyitumba tu muntu tari kuriendagiro kuboka mabyo kuyaba kuriye binte byao oyo abago sariyo bugima bwaye
nonye nabo nigo amoteba Nyagusira kubumungino urenge bumukia na bwanje to mulembe asinka yaye asesegeto y'abantu b'emyaka menene hasabasaye bekegoliegeke abasaye ni bagendere gosingerwa koborirwa kurigirirya chindagira bakuria nkurubadirigeta seni kyagatembe kurega sikenyero kya Masongo kegotoka se ward ya Sensi meye bunge ya Kitutu cha North County ya Kisii litere ngoro kwa Daniel Ontiri
Omwancho murigereria unenjire ya moyo gusira abaria batari kwenyara kurwase binyoro ime omo MCA bwe ward ya township kurwase county ya Nyamiru Moske Diok Oyage Masira ni gobono litkorigoro anyalite kubwatoka obokonye bweng'ombe uchasia umutakano yomo omanekanite muna kirbo nduko kurwase ekenyoro gya keguru ekyo negetambukira abange banyale kuokera ase boigo omoske Diok Masira anyale gusira etundu bali ya keguru eyo abwatokera chirangi egento atebire kirabe esegeto eryo kweneke buna abaremi bekemeri igichaye nkonyora bale amazingira are amaya akegima omurikito ende Paul Cup Okara
omwemisi oyo igawe wadi ya township Moske Diok Oyage Masira igo hagendereirie amano morobulio bwo kugendera gusira cyama tujiri kitari kwenyara asibinyoro ime asiri tukolya lero anyara kobaga kumubwatokera omusubati kerubo nduko uyu omusacho yasirita amatuka make aitire eng'ombe iyo korengana muna Diok rat kunyara kobaga kumukonya okirinia abana bwabake atigeretwe
musubati naro minto usirere tuga karona acharia oite na tebe tege mugande byuka na igo kore bune michendo ko kore bumade ani na mare nera ka morika yaria nera kuna kudoro bo siagaria igo buna na acha igatari njira na sira na bantu bane na acha kukwana eta chiskuru chiane chions skuru nere ndai tia ngomba bali wakamerumba na kutumira bana chibasi chapre inge tikere skuru
ukwana boigekere kyase kanyaru ya keguru igo Moske Diok Oyage Masira bwatokire obokonyi bwerangi go cyase tundubali ya keguru iyo korengana monere ira tunyara kobaga kwa nikitundubali korolekana buya indukira nyara kobaga kwa abalimi amazingira maya yo gupimira echa yabo
nandekera December lero to jinara letebira irangi kachi una roto ke tetona kugwatira mega tona go tukiguse twasuka
nigetambukira korengana muna Diok atebera rat kunyara kobaga ko kene kia Austin Sem eme wadi ya township nabo gagenda kobaga korenga magendrane rat kunyara koba gakoyangurura eyo abanenje kora sinsemechiga kwenyolera amagenderero
mangana ya mangu mudado tena onje bono tali besa njire take tukujigo gazikie tu ade biku tutana korora gachi aga kwatu kene tukwani ogende nande kababa ndabo ngai onde bwenzi kago jandika kumurama karanza nziri yuka ga mwabekera inyo tukwani ogende aina bano muntu tatagiti tundu kurama muntu abantu ba township naganda ke karoko nako badena nonyo yo kona konte magakiti gache morake
negati abali bayikirina sayega ningo bayirana ngambi yamono gochaso gusira kwa Diok nakugendera kumuganya nyara ko bagotambira kuboko kwanda kubayikira abange awarase binyoro bagendete gucandika kira chingaki
Kondate rogo sira nda koracha gonkonye sukeria abana na inche ndabasukeria yake umugambi nyasago sesenie ega ko garanto maitenga ko boko kuro koreki ko sesenie wako kwa kuri wako kwegwa
rangi kueto tomesie nyumbe na onya kuna kirangi ibere kire moro ibere kire umugambi oya no mwana omoke no mwana one no mwana mukora gamba ari wano kajago tunalo mokega chikura chai josi nyonga sara bono bona nere buya karenga ki
ingo reporter getasini kya wanjete kya gatembe kuiga Austin Semechiga chikanyero ya keguru ime yebunga yiga ya West Mugrange County ya Mera inchi konkoro kwa Paul Cup Okara
Mwancho murire mwanasiasa Patrick Lumumba kura Kitutu Church South ni gobono abiro yo wangoiga ukwanira igoro yo kugania kugusira chisemi ase bunge eyo ya Kitutu Church South wetera ase okubwaterana na boigo kose nigatebira yega nigaraikirane kwetera sokubwaterana na babwatani ao na boigo nigo ariko yokwana kuro ase skuru ya St John Bosco me ward ya Bugusero me ye county ya Kisii nekerabono anyalire gukwanira igoro yigatimero obirio iyo bonete guchakiwa elio gwikirania ikirenga ikyo.
Mimi ninataka kutafuta nafasi Mungu akikubali ya kusaidia watu wetu wa Wogetutu Kitutu Church South. Na sababu ya hiyo ni kuleta maendeleo ya ukweli. Na maendeleo ya yokurusio butaka ese binyoro byeito. Mimi nataka Mungu akikubali, manake yote yawezekana. Manake nikiangalia watoto wetu hata viatu ni shida. Nikiangalia watoto wetu hata si wote wako na sweta baridi. Nikiangalia watoto wetu hata feeding program nindo chechikoni eregalia. Echikoni eregalia. Mimi nitaangalia maneno ya feeding program. Kuhakikisha abana baitu bagoche school lakini onero ngoli kunywero ngoli lakini esinye n'ekingende yani kusimeka kingende abana baitu banyore protein kingende n'esinye maete ntazo kotebya aba iboliga oboli moboso gotokaga iga inche ngocha na inche ndinge erongiane tolemege sangyo tosimeke kingende chigo isana nebitumaga none kabichi twasimeka egere ekingende ne kabichi yarumogondo.
Mwancho murigire senseme yo no gukorera ekeonga ekerondo chenga chapto kire chitagika ibere igoro yensemo yabono mambi korende nekirongo kuboleta bosa uske kiagira umuroberio no genderete na bwigo nekero ndache kwira na cross muti mukoni nyare ko basogeria bonsi bari babukire nindo chenga timu nera iga enene sana ntarache kusoma ujumbe cheno nindo chebuna timio Brian Isaya Murema Omochokoro Kiyuka ntubwate Eli D. Rose, ntubwate Bonventure, ntubwate Munare Pelamin, Rogers Nyariki, Christopher Atandi, Ocharo William, Jacqueline Nyansiaboka, Obino Mukaya, Grace Ombati, Barnabas Gikonge, Fred Moga, Eli Mwache Alivyo na Morris Agalomba. Apunega ati ya bari banyare kuboka na into korende kironda chikwira nani nyare gosoma ujumbe chaino korene ne kirongo kubolenga genda kubika ujumbe yao gabo asichi nsembo cha Facebook ekirogoswa togoswa asumurobeli ayebweka kwataga babiri batatu family yao nyukubwate omwancho mwako se omongino murugego Awiko bwate abana bawo no bwate chi sister che brother bali oganeti onyare gosona barabu meyo murobere gabutwani yagatembe kero goswachi sapo cha Facebook na bokonyara goswali kwanyara kuba tag elinde banyare wikirana na boigo gusanga na into asinchira ere eyo bamukema nonye YouTube aria se live chat na rona bokulika ujumbe ndo chenga babo Barnabas wanaelewa hii mchezo wase wanaelewa like timeti understand it egame yiga kuse wanaelewa hii game vizuri kwa vile kirogo sari YouTube na rona bokunyara kulika ujumbe YouTube umetabanga kunyaranga andake bako bakubeka comments cyabo kuse bako ako kulike message ororo chinze mu YouTube na rona bokutolikira ujumbe yao goitira asa watonyera na Getembe TV igwase ebire biga bya bono mambine kirongo kuboleta busuguska ikera umurobiri igabo etwani Getembe etwani Getembe no genderete asinchira ere eyabene ekegi makendra kuligireria Getembe TV.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo nguriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate etime tembo abo bagokora mirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingencho ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asime babwate Dumrang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongebere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle aywago na Roman Jinko nabo igo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue nabo igo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi bwo igo ebyo ochikunyara kwa bogo tumika chinga gicho gwakiranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kwa bogo kwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchani warrant na wigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imeyumucho yigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Gusi bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja ETV ya uwanje Agatembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimirulu ao ya Agatembe Television Network ayene amate yao kuli miensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya, Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas amonogo chingira kumwako muya iduwego kinemirulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Agatembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Agatembe Television Network ekeonga kia mwamogusi. Subscribe ase channel ya Agatembe TV rero ili wimanyibu na mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Agatembe TV nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Agatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyoranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Agatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito boigo share na basani amone amate ejo baigokie bemanye na wesemia tobase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere edio onyari kobagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Agatembe Television Network ekenakyo ekeonga kia mwamogusie. Eduka yo bomo ya Ouru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure e company nambe yemo iyo karose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekali guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Ouru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganiri erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutari rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simu gwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate imishangirikano ya gisiasha, amatanga, chinyangi, chibirthday, mesangirikano yechikanisa, baby shower, anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyumo, inyangi gusuko kwa kuyomino, emijega ao bunabono housewarming parties, engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayega ashiri golidio gotugutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi baitabo bare nobo manyi baiguro igeti byete bwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigo gwitira semeria WhatsApp gosigo yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726.
Ine kwabeire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia enibo enyinge bono tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya Walfit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate. No borwere bwa sundwira bagakenga abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes. Ngaki borwere bwe sukari bo so mobero goime. Hypertension no borwere kera manyinga ko gende bure so mobero. Walfit itosomete chinchereza to chokorwa ya marwaire. Enchede ntangani itosomete ngendo nga conventional medicine. Yani obonyagitali obwa kawaida. Itosomete ngendo nga nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakurwese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have ntupiku amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka eso korwari ya marwaire. Nchidende ya gata tosomerete neka tukutumia international herbal medicine. Tukutumia marioga akurwese mete twarwari ya marwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntobwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza. Uhuru Plaza noerega igamarikiti marikiti gaiso wako ninyama kwali na iguru wacho wake goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A. Ntobwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfit Health Centers umusani obo asamarwaire minyoka.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirenkuma asogo kwa obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate events chiroadshow chinyange amatanga anniversary na yenda mangamna wono photography videography live stream na coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase tent ebirogo decoration lighting carpet na sound batarere ase koroba ya Uhuru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimia namba 0721217817. Hazina Siri Events, this is a surety. Hazan Mega Wholesalers Asentundende Nandenigo Yirenire Buja Nandebiamono asentumbiye nigo egokoneria ebinto aserigori erianse kegema ase town yiga ya Busongo koni bare ebinto asensemo ya electronics na electricals chibirika chibasi chiestima chiufa TV tabletop cookers microwave dispenser blender radio chararani blow dry socket cable bulb holder heater nebinde ebinge phone accessories na charger USB cables earphones wireless ports nechiseme asensemo ya household nkoni bari chisane thermos ebikombe ebirugo chibesin nebinde ebinge asensemeria cosmetics koni bari body lotion spray air food makeup kits sabuni nebinde ebinge koni bari soda nechi juice asensemo eria yadware koni bari power saw generator piano nechi amplifier mixer public address systems nyange solar panel naboigo asensemeri ya stationery koni bari geometrical set irangi jebikoroto chikram calculator chiraba nechi toy semoyende nkoni bari tissue papers chisavet chidapa sanitary towels nechi toothpaste karuteri kwiba toothbrush boigonkoni bari fridge ajirira unyare kwigurira ebintu biga aserigoririanse Hazan Wholesalers nigo egokora free delivery osinige okoratera ebintu gurite asolsao wika asure asorgongo rwonsi rwa Nyanza nige gotoka ase enyumba ya Gisembo building ange na smart lady I guess roundabout ya Busongo asa mange kwana no director o Hazan Wholesalers ase ogo kairigori na mabori ande amange oratware sin number 0722 237187. Gitebe Technical Training Institute nigo ekurwa amegeri jechikosi au bunabono building and construction kusubwagachi abwasiba kwegeria ubwagachi bw'ikinyumba naboigo ebiwanda au kurobare ekose ya version design garment na dressmaking gusi obusoni bw'ikiyanga n'ebintu au abu ase bari nambeyemo asugutwara machine chekerero nebinde binge nkwegeli bare amangana a beauty and hairdressing aigon kwegeli bare igore pedicure manicure barbering braiding plating na yende amange ICT aigono institute ye ebwata chi computer nebinto ebinge by'okwegeli ICT gwetania skuru ndiyunsi era sorgongoroiga
asamalieta kwa Alpato Maliba mwalimu manne Ogitwebe Technical Training Institute serikali ya kolibya sana sogotwa institution yegocha saya asengencho etagete komenta ochusi ase abana bali bakole skuru ase iseme cyobufundi nabo boliri moleta abana bochese skuru linde banyore system cyobufundi byamo
boigon kwegeria bare electrical engineering power option boigon neroro asaba kwegeria igoriye chinguru cyomorero bwestima na kubeka chinguru echo ase emeche nechi company au secretarial na plumbing katiye chindi chinyingi munabono social work human resource management na nigo bakora chikosi echi ase ebiringo bya artsan use short courses certificate na diploma nigo ebwate aborokia babwate obumanyi bebirengo bikromono mbayitirine wizarega megeria yega nabo ndebwensi akwegerigwa inchubono utari kubwate kegori utari kubwate no mumurore usino mweseke Gitwebe Technical Training Institute nikikotoka kilomita eyemoyoka kurosomochi umugwawa asepare nene yilami yakoro ikonge kogenda chebera
inche Kenneth Mongare Ngaga, a Dean of Student, Gitwebe Training Institute. iga karokwa retiro mwana ugetwebe security gere guaranteed. At present abana tuwate 600 in all the departments togosa na yonyolire koleto mwana atware skills tokonye Kenya yetu.
Asamange bakire simi ase namba 0713985300. Gitebe Technical Training Institute, skills for self-reliance.
Bright Future Health Solutions ni hospitali inayopeana huduma mbalimbali kama full body scan kutumia mashini za kisasa, counseling services, physiotherapy, HIV management services, bila kusahau wanatoa maelekezo ya utumiaji bidhaa mbalimbali kulingana na mahitaji ya mgonjwa. Pia wanatibu magonjwa mbalimbali kama diabetes, asthma, kansa kuanzia stage 1 hadi 3, ulcers, kuumwa kwa viungo vya mwili, ugonjwa wa figo, blood pressure, kifafa, goita, ugonjwa wa maini, ugonjwa wa moyo, miongoni mwa magonjwa mengine mengi.
Sisi ni Bright Future Health Solutions. Tunapatikana kote nchini Kenya na kazi yetu ni kupeana huduma ya afya kwa wanadamu. Huduma yetu tunapeana kuanzia umri mdogo, kiwango ya kwamba mama akona ujauzito, mpaka wale watu wamekuwa wazee kabisa. Huwa tunapima mtu kwa machine ambazo zimetoka Marekani. Hizi machine ni za kidijitali. They are computerized. Ukipimwa pale tunaweza kuona mwili mzima na mashini yenyewe ikatutafutia shida ndio tukaweza kukutibu.
Pia wanatibu magonjwa mbalimbali kama diabetes, asthma, kansa kuanzia stage 1 hadi 3, ulcers, kuumwa kwa viungo vya mwili, ugonjwa wa figo, blood pressure, kifafa, goita, ugonjwa wa maini, ugonjwa wa moyo, shida za kizazi kwa wake na waume, wide effects za chemotherapy, tizo ya nguvu za kiume, prostate cancer na blockage, miongoni mwa magonjwa mengine mengi. Watembele leo katika ofisi zao zinazopatikana katika mji wa Kisii, jumba la St. Jude, ghorofa ya kwanza, room number 59, au wapige simu kupitia nambari 0718608287. Pia wana ofisi zao katika mji wa Masimba katika majengo ya Maromo Building karibu na ofisi za county. Unaweza kuwapigia simu pia kupitia nambari 0711-936-008.
Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology bakorereria AIMTech ya September asibakura chikos mnabono ICT, Mass Communication na Journalism, Hairdressing na Beauty, Perioperative Theatre Technology, Music Production, Computer Packages ne chinde chinyinge. Asamange bakire simyasi namba 0705 773 142 0784-663-693. Nubagotoka ase umuchubusungu Twin Towers asirirungo liya gatano na gatatu incho ayirira bwere kibono.
Mama Rosa.
Jirani.
Mama Rosa, nimefika hapa kwako.
Karibu sana jirani yangu.
Naendeleaje?
Tuko salama.
Mbona mzee analala chini hapa na analia?
Mzee analia? Mzee ni mgonjwa. Mzee amekaa nashughulikia yeye, nimempeleka hospitali, hata sasa anashinda ugonjwa wake, nimpeleke wapi sasa?
Sasa shida ya mzee ni gani? Huyu mzee hajazeeka. Shida yake ni gani unamwacha hivi?
Mzee wangu mara ni mgongo, mara ni kifua, ukikuja mara magoti, mara miguu, hata kuinua hivi juu huwezi inua. Sasa nimeshinda nifanye nini jirani?
Wewe usikii hata redio ikitangaza juu ya hospitali inaitwa Nugabes?
nekene inyagitari ya Nuga Best nero yuka ebwate okubwa wokurubu wenya wetere chimashini chekerero kurwa sinseri ya South Korea. Nuga Best niko babire bako wenya amarwire ao ayiwagendere ko bagagucanda mwanya bantu unabono uburwire buri bwa mauga yani arthritis, uburwire bwo mugongo watya ulcers, amarwire yenda onsi egati amarwire nde niko bako batukubu wene buiga bagutumeka chimashini chekerero niko bagutuka imeyo mu cy'ubusungo asamagacho ahuru tawasirirongo lya kabere eyirange nebengi ya Kenya Women batari rero Nuga Best gotanga mbuya kubwa kugwenia
ngora mugaka ke na kigwito mugaka
okorra tindi bobe
obo mano ne kero kwacha ono gotarangwa konyaro tano no goikaransa ngwaro konyaro goikaransa mugaka aiga ni gore senya getari ya Nuga Best
na ndengi mwacha kwa nkolinya gitari kaki uruti na itana ni gutinya gitari kumanyinga na mente kaki abana bane uchizindani ntungiru gutungu ni ngombali rukubarwa kaki nimbe
ayo mugaka na getari yitu nduri ko urusi manyinga nduri ko kobara nduri ko kobekera macho mugaka eto ko bwene ko etera samari ko itana no Diamond meni ambuno ikaranse kana mari ko ikaranserete amario kana rawo konya go swa senjera yo mubere elinda ko konye ko bwene mugaka na bono tukware ko nyara gutara mugora yali ndialete amario kana rago so mugaka ago konyo mugaka ko konyoro sami kiera mbuke kabisa no mugongo mugaka ira ni kubuya igesi ndwe senya getari yitu ya Nuga Best nduri ko bara nduri ko urusi manyinga nduri ko bekera macha ndo so mugaka eto ko bwene etera senjera yekerero asogotumeka chimashini chito chekerero cha Nuga Best mugaka
abuya mole
안녕하세요. egena nyasaye tumia Nuga Best ebintu binde byonsi tiga na nyasaye wekaka kurai omenye naenda bwebuya nobusale nobwato muberogo were tena kaira bali bane tenwe kera mtinyi ndo na tuwe clinic kyo mugaka ne kyo mongena na bahira tenwe kurumba golera machine ye mati nanya ko bahira clinic ya arthritis igongo bahira tuwa clinic riyo korana manyinga bara manyinga buyare ndo buyebe mwaka na wabo cyo chaga orani uyana agocha bwe
Nuga Best inchu naye bwenekerie obubwenya bwekene.
Kila nafsi na ita
Taraji ogokwa gwa Jones Matuga Momanyi oyo kurukobo igo oyoge igaro umwana unyegusira Momanyi oyeko na kwambuka igarese Jefferson Moriasi nyegusira Florence Komboka Bernard Momanyi Boniface Gekonge Kennedy Mogoa nyegusira Josephine Magoma na Charles Mogire igarese Biara Nyanchama Ryle Joyce Salome Gladys Jane Eunice Nyamisa Mora Nabande Noyo mwabonye gusira Onyare nyagusira Ngare nyagusira Kama nyagusira Nyangau nyagusira Nyeigonga nabande gare bamwabo nyagusira Onganga Ondari Mayo Ondongi Umbachi Kemari Gari Yanumba Mugire Umbati na Musota Nyangau nabande gare kore yabale nyagusira Bisinga Okyoma Nyatogo Barare Ongeni nabande bakayoye nigo bale nyagusira Sagero Maraga Osano Musongo Nyanchama Batsia Makana Birigita Luceria Priska Ruth Nyamwaya Orioba nabande kaba muraba mwaba Lucia Kerebi bale nyagusira Brasi Nyaboke Nyangara nabande Semoke Nyapara Mogoa Moriasi Momanyi John Mogire Ojieko Magoa Richard Holland Florence Jacqueline Areba Sara Stacia Nyangara Akama Ondongi Walenya Gusira Molebu Makori Nyanchera Mokeira Mandere na Momanyi Yarese Biara Usira Gideon Okyoma bangina Rome Mabea n'abandi igare sukuru ya Duncan Kemunto Hesbon Naomi Trusia Nancy Ngare Maria Chana Kemma Omanga Desmond Stacy Wycliffe na Diana arusi wenkendu ichuni hospital mortuary kemerongebe na isano na ibere tukuri yankel Hamisi kwa ni walitko liju matare kemerongebe na Kianda Liebogetauri village di Kenya sub location East Kitutu location Masaba North Ase County ya Nyamira. Etemba television torengere ito. Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirenkuma asogo kwa obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga chianniversary na yenda mangam na mono photography videography live stream na coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase tent ebirogo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimia sinamba 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya Nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigiriye amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriya amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe gwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyari kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya sigika ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzitosomya bamura baje kuya mandege uzitosomya bamura baje kuya mandege
Mwancho murire karibu sana nekero omurobire obwetani ya Getembe TV ogenderete na igase studio nigondenere mienda sam. Mienda. Mete wiki I think wiki ya eti. Nikibwakira.
Hata mimi sijasalimia.
Sijawahi kuona hata mimi. Nani ongoro?
Kana siku ya leo.
Oh. Haina neno. Tari mangana. Timetinga kibwe bangete lakini onje wiki ya bere ntambe. Mangana na mangi agendete tukuriya sensemo ya siasa. Tukuriria ibintu bigendete kurwa sichinzemo oimero gongo ragusi. Mienda. Umekuwa wapi? Timu mwanzo murire.
Mimi nimekuwa by the way since last week ndaba assemble. Esenye nje sababu chitari gutangeka, that's why I missed them.
Actually upon the congratulations wacha serikabu.
Erikabuga. I have a story to tell. Do my thing nkomera na ntorna yerbada.
Shirero ari gutoka iga. Aratumanyanga meteka usikiro muntu ngo mbanyare.
Yisiyo nandire songe kenge. Naona ale ngali tukubetare wasoma news. Lakini he tried. Alijaribu sana so na atemete sana kurende ikigusi ikigusi nabokera abe rahisi gukwana but aso gasoma negasi ekonda nero kero gusoma ikigusi nani nchai thank God by the na rurale in terms of gusoma ikigusi gukwana bera very easy lakini aso gasoma nera bit tricky so Abuga is trying let him pull his socks and try.
Tindege tio chake segi horo mangana ikigusi ai wakimne na maokoro andake ekero kuligererio muntu kinete asese tapia ba batawe buri ababake musawe buri kunapono kinena buri bao andonyore no exposed guseno re na bantu abakora ake asinka ya ino. Don't you think it's tofauti ne rorene sana?
You see abayibuli ba bono.
Tamso funa kigusiki abo gekogenda.
You see abayibuli ba bono majority of them okonyoranga igo bagosom bako bataketa abana babo manye egeswahili ne gesongo. That makes them ekigusiki ligia sira kurwa somotu. Nkeri kobo mono. Asa abayibuli ababake. Lakini muntu mwana njenso amerete within kusi everything I've done mostly ni kusi okonyoranga nabongo kwana you see kwana is ne tofauti sana no muntu ogesoma naboko menya kusipi lakini onye to kwenige je no ogesoma bado sina bagotwara muchando igo kwana is not an issue issue ne linga ngakyuko yesoma igo okogesoma ke kusikeli ngibwate njira ge gosoma na no bera nabantu abakuru
okosoma ngakyo kenyora
asoko gasoma bona abu no muchandura
unless school metene school no chiko somi weke gosi especially unabona ma science omurobire gosi school na bagesomi lower classes to kusoma mwana ke gosi getindi gosi otoko somi ke gosi ke mara chiko tume kabuna iga yes even to komo somi biri basic
namba riba somete ke gosi nje I never had an opportunity to soma ke gosi lakini from what I know bari bagete ko gasoma likiarenge serious as a school I think was just basics yani ibintu biri yene ngombe how to construct sentences bakagetira gap kwa sababu kiari kwa class 3 I think igiatigero so meaning that at class 3 at that level think agatinga matilda nenyara kana ngomonto so milike usi to a point like aranyara ko communicate buya was just the basics so that's why I'm trying to say inche despite the fact thing anin so marete kusimo no chiskuru chia kusi within kenyoro but I had a problem yoko gesoma so oko gesoma is a bit different kuruwe kwana beko baraisi lakini kusoma in that context
no kwana umete
ngeli game
bunanje taringe kiarenge kiusi taringa ni manyete na manyete kiusi nande ningine to kwane kiusi
okay
asumo chano uri gutokera I think nje samangana prona nchirangu giatoka
that's not the problem
no abno muchando olenge gosono muchando rabira samutuka mange no nyenga ni mayete pakama amanga amalita na rometa mange kigusi ali kero kende nje na ringe privileged anake nga tata ngo getumeka ringe mono gusingu kwa na ringe geusie getinde paka mbolinga ande kwenda kura bolinga iri tiringiri minute gwatebiko lakini mwana kero kugiatuka kwa nyana ngiri gosoka una ke wenerete lakini gereke nene ngiri ki nienda anake tesiko kwa ni manyite geusigo ko
na were ko wono kusina bokire lakini rende for me Matilda the only advice I can give everybody na bakabake seminege ndrete ko kina abantu babante kumanya gisonge kinege Swahili. That's for the basic of communication kwa sababu rero iga togocha kaba limited ngote to kumanya kigusiyoka because nabanya nga wachiri ko korega sino ne chinse chisco and you know how you want to know how to communicate this thing. Ile ntonda batabi ndimo konya kwani kare jio mwana asoma manya igore gesongo ne Kiswahili ekigusina kero is important. You see, we can't forget asoruete nche. There's something I'm ever proud of kobomo gusi and kobomo gusi we ko kwane we ko proud no ne lietaliane. You see, I feel good in some ngoro, but when you call me me and I feel entitled inga njama no mogusi apart from rende sam. So abaiboli bali abake tigekonya gotebanga bona abana bagitu bamanye Kiswahili gyoka ne Kisongo. Make sure nga abana bangu manya bale none gusi. It is very important. Rero ga Matilda gwatebanga ombwete kwane gusi. I think no mugusi
ndiko. Tiso kwara na ichi takesa na mienda. Tiso ko yategera no nyana ibuka konyaranga ngubrukani ore mono. Kongwa.
Nadiga.
Again tale bangana engine lote no inche kero ko kora korali kogenda ngoso hasi getaseni gekegusi amatukama tangani mitinye mutanga nawe yaringe muri marakini rende keninge getari konyarekana
abano inche nkuinyura kero na swete the first time embeo mbaka batagere go bakete simi bagataba tayo mumuroyu getase negine gekegusi esinge nchunara kukwane gesonge kenge negesongo actually kenge negeswahili esinge ncho nabwate that better communication yiki kusiyeke. But I thank God rero iga much as rende ngonya kuburukaniga lakini majorly ekigusiyekere kenge kubwa ibintu nya kuburukani
tike go flow ove no kere keronge ero itari mangana na ase ogukwana n'abantu abakuru mienda egentongera nde ase esemo yekihunga mwana no raiga ngoke sana mugaka okurukongwaye otari ngwaye umugavana bono umugavana mukuru ento gwate tatu mwabo ekira ko kwana neke bali kegeke ana mono ekira kubulia abantu chindagira chiri omete kwa kubulia mienda nga miaka 50 kurubona ngayora atoke.
Miaka 50 kurubono, I'll be around 70 something. I'll be around 75. Miaka 50 kurubono, I'll be 75. And I praying anke miaka 75. Nyasasa kunki miaka 50 kurubono, by there I'll be around 75 years.
Miaka 50 umetenege tiro especially ekero mu Kenya.
Tiro sana. Anja tuachire.
Lakini iko erabu wangu tokomanya.
Na ande squeeze by the miaka iko mnyoka sana. Because the other day we were celebrating happy new year ono mutinyo kienda tuko chigosa, meaning that we have around 4 months mwaka yokoreki mwaka yoere time is running lakini rende koyekore miaka 50 in this country, especially Kenya, not even in Kenya. By the way, when we are talking about the economy, talk about the economy, yes, the worldwide. It's not an issue in Kenya, yoka. It's globally. That's why kereko eko konga globally, wano ya transit yacha mpaka sense ya Kenya. It will be hard, lakini rende nyasati ya tobo moyo, miaka hiyo misina beko nyarekana. And I know na beko nyarekana. 75 bado neke jambo.
Mbose mikiora toke kwa umeitonye pone yote tukuigira gusikotara ni chisokoro. Onyare ko nyorobo se miago sonyare go se migona barafu. Hero emiake emerangitano kurubono nkiora ko go se miamana wa Australia bachokoro.
My those times walia bakoro ero ge bagoto somi korengana na their times. You see, time is moving, everything is moving. Much as we are trying to imagine ngangita atia bana gusaba chokoro bane at 75 years from now, when I'll be 75, so you see nanjini ntu ali korogeto ekiga bono togende togotwara gaiga. You see, ebintu mbere togosoma look, when we read in history, there was a bomb blast in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. There was a Nairobi. Was it in 1992?
1998.
1998, eh?
Yes.
98. There's some people who are telling us about 98, what happened. As embassy, I think one of the countries, Kenya. You see, abantu mbali baroche gento kilia. Intuma cha sto kigwa, abantu mbaro baroche, baga experience. Some of them were victims. Abande bagasiria abantu babo gwetere gentekyo. They are just narrating today. You see, abana baito, bono ngamba maitia mangana Gen Z ngamba achite parliament. I think that is something that I can experience. I had experience. I saw it. Morally, and I'll have to tell my children, ninga, eke golingeri kiaringi kuru Gen Z. Kanda parliament. Kero, ekibone ke goli ekigito. You see, there are some things that I'll be telling my children, ninga. This thing happened on this time, at this point. Matitota mo mogaka Kenyatta igarenge ya. Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. Mau na barenge. Abantu mbali ba kiroche practically. You see, there was Raila Odinga, there was so and so, there was someone there and there. Again, don't get here penalty. Gakinere Mbraya tweete enyinga mafrika paka bana mbaje school. You see, that thing has been there. Abana gakinere they had to suspend ko irene school senga nchonga. Mbraya koreki ya bere winge. So those are some of the things I'll tell my children, my grandchildren, and my great-grandchildren.
Yes. Aso kusemia mangana history na bwe kwa araisi. Ntuwate sa mangana in terms of health kuse okomenyo kuya omonto kwebeka ya ekero korigere liboniga ana mora basa eboniga kuse ebigori bigo kina onyenchira mwana ichindagera okweboye ebintu ebingi okagerete nga asemya kemenge goja ekigusinge chikoba rigid bado.
If you look at the way now as a rochi, you can tell everything is changing, including what abendagera chindagera abantu bakoli
chindagera chinkorona ronchio.
Let me take you back to corona period. Abasonga bange basireti amagima abasana esinge nchunga. Abasongo baligo bakuli bintu bire junky foods, just sweet soft things, lakini Africans okonyoranga go bategemera this natural food, enderema, chinsaga, obokima and others. And then kero corona yacha, abasongo go babete the most affected. Actually, even if Africans were affected bagakwa, lakini mbakweti at a large number as compared to abasongo because of those foods. But we have copied with the time to anyara kobato ko iga mfano bwa abasongo lero konyoranga abantu bategemete chindagire soft. So we are heading there into North Africa. That's why you see I was surprised. Maitamarwire naro tuare kumanyanga igarenge associated n'abantu bali abakuru because of the immunity, talk of arthritis, talk of diabetes, pressure. Lakini you will find out that we are having children who are being affected by amarwira yaiga simply because of okomenya goito okobe. That now tuegiri those junky foods, people don't want to take natural foods.
Kero kendete ku commentera gabu nkagirete nga nirubia Wills korwa se studio akabere atubekiro igwo bosemi ewo mogaka ongwae korwa ase chinsemo shego sekora se wodere ya sensi anyaro to obosemi kusanyarego kosanga na into enchira abantu kusendagira kichiga umuntu oranyare kuria erio andake comment obunyamasi tabugo comment no nyine miaka yao ase ense uno mulikita Daniel Ontire nyare to twariganiriro votioro
ogokwa komongina Salome Nyabokongwae w'imyaka minene kurwase kinyiro ky'amasongo imyasinsi ase county ya Kisii niko kwabete ogugwa konene ase amatiga y'umugaka Nelson Monari Ongwae nyagusira nigo hari ngina muke umugavana umukoro we county ya Kisii umosike James Ongwae boigo moibuli umwabo umongina Grace Ongwae anigo asiretie obugima bwaye litukuligoro
mwario yebo natwatebanitie twatebania moisoni nere twakwana nere twakwana twakurire kwa saa 3 kamukana kamwagire kwa hili bana twatogende nere akateba bana sabati amba sabere mugende bya akara abasabira akura bakagenda Machakos. Abagenda Machakos saa butuko saa 8 nari bagotebungu osile.
Kubatikana nayo omugaka Nelson nigakwanire iguru y'obugima bwaye na nyegosira nabuna nigo abeire obugosiro konene kuri umwaka bweri bwemo 1953 ase babetamo no bwanchani nabagasisenigwa n'abana batano noyomo
ari ayiwerete alanyanchite muntu kuburia ukugwa kukirete ya ekwenderi bana mwe kagari mwa mugakere igono ihokuru na charity kigera ta kuri kende itarahegwa nanje na nyine riaru ari nyumba atari kuri ndagira otenge ndagira yu nyamwaro kari umugaka ka umugaka
asinkwana yayeboigo nigakwanire gati iki sababu chikwirira amurwire goikaransira bantu boigo wetera sogotanyora uwenya buwenerete hasi chinyagitari
manye no nyagitari igo umuntu kugenda ororo kukigo cheki kure onye tubati umuntu kongosara boterunga mosena marerie kuriete takunenta kuri kariente tere yogendenga kumbu burwire mbukararia kare nyuma aribo ukaburikuriyete
asense mwende nigaru esegeto igoro yechendagira chibwenete kuliegwa na urwa chisababu chiaye
tere buna bana kwa mvano muntu kunywa marwa mange oikabo gimabwaye babo bwenye muntu kunyitumba tu muntu tari kuriye ndagiro kuboka mabyo kuyala kuriye binte byao oyo abago sariyo bugima bwaye
nonye nabo nigo amoteba nyegusira kuba umungino urenge bumukia na bwanje to murembe asinka yaye asesegeto y'abantu b'emyaka menene hasabasaye bekegoriye geke abasaye ni wagendere gusingerwa koborirwa kurigirirya cindagira bakuria nkurubodirigeta seni kyagatembe kurega sikenyero ky'amasongo kegotoka segodi ya sensi meye bunge ya Kitutu cha North County ya Kisii Ritere nenguru kwa Daniel Untiri.
Ndagira kyokuri.
Sini kawaida.
Rero abantu onye no konywa abana bake abana teenagers.
Yeah, by the
rero bagochake myakemeke chakira 15 okonyora abana bachakire kumanya binyuwa bintoki. Na kidabo lina ekiro kurire kegori kigaye mienda emyaka 50 rebusi.
If the lifestyle we are having today
at this rate gekogendrega
I think at 50 years look at Mugakolia. I was just trying to look miaka yae
origeria
abana bae then you find out that nare strong in a way narara bagakambale babugate miaka umuntu narora paka 100 and something years lakini bado tariko in support of someone na babugata kanyimbuka ngo tarare it will be different. I saying to umuntu nabugika 75 years or 70 years lakini will be look more of 100 years. Esengenje okomanya okukobi tokomanya nokuragiro okukobi. You are talking about kenyugwa. You see, this is the same platform toko kwanira mangana yokonywa. We have talked about yokonywa for a long time. Ninyorete mpaka libaga tabanga marwe wente ko chakira maybe at 21. Ikagoriye kekeke ehenkonyibale. And let me tell you Matilda. Talinga marwe ya gusecha nge yarengo kurukale asabaga ka. Yarengo. Lakini it was a bit natural to a point, like maybe I can say maybe andake yarenge friendly kocha say
enjira yare cross go yarenge piwa so piwa yani ekintu ge cross go monda amatinge nendagira cross abantu basibe yene rongori cross go yerongori abagaka abantu basibe nande tari yarenge karanga no tokote butari yarenge cross go ngariyo kasokoni abantu bare cross chinga kichemega nobono chinga kichie nyangi aho na ana mono chinga kibona chia amatuko amana bono chisuguku lakini ekero kurikere bonige I think ebinyuwa ebire part of the business yeli tuko nera abantu babigite ko babuna nemirimo iria gokoreka ase rituko gose nendagera ye rituko. Yes.
Nande bono egento gyoshikeba ngeringa naki just like I was saying ali garenge nacharo no ene nchira korosegwa iko yarenge no bagare kunyuga na maskani wasn't like negento muntu kunyu just anyhow liko. Lakini look at today very advanced amarua ya bono igare processed using chemicals akorosi bwangu within some time ga amarua ya beire nakiki ya beire nga ask yourself why could we have cancer is now growing in a big number, like cancer is becoming a problem, like wabeiro burweire. You see, these are the same chemicals that shikoreta mbako muntu twara cancer. Weterase the chemicals that people have inhaled. Weterase amarua ya korosigwa amarua tancheiri. Matilda, there's a time you could even tell abantu bari gukusana ngabanyura amarua mabe nini and all those quarrel. And a very large number of abasai onoiga na bakonya maru. Go to colleges, go to universities, go to TVET institution, polytechnics.
You'll find out that. Omugaka unoyo kwarigerere. No, esokoro. Actually, tari no nya sokoro ori.
Ne sokoro.
Abwato bosemia gotoa. Buna abantu baranyare kuri chindage. Wone geto kenga abasaye kigori geto. Abange okonywa ngoraroro chindagera tokori chipize chitutagete binto
tuganda kunyuri gento gete maite nonye abayibuli abe bari kuria ekiremos like amafuta bo ekirimba no bari kubeka chingini bari lakini lero iga ekirim kia mabere.
Yes,
talk about into enchera no na mafuta to gwa plus chindagera mpaka yani ryose bichisani uikoberia maji sajida tiemanya
kwa mafuta go sivinande
imanya kuruo. What I'm telling you, this ya contribute to gochase omaita mafuta mange gako yagochire fats chinyinga so mubiri bw'omuntu kwanyoranga nebakera akore emirimo agokora emirimo akeigo kwanyora orosire esenginjo bantu rero stairs inchire gasa magacha. There's a time, you know, I'm a victim also. Natirite mpaka igorari 7th floor. You see, nkaigwa maguru, nkaigwa nchiregete. Katabanga Jesus. You imagine in stairs montari. Lero igamba abasaembalenga.
Nando gwata abantu abakuru baratire stairs.
Abasaembalenga baratebenga to endegetirwe to tirwe chirgorari.
Koline getunu.
Nkare abantu mbalenga barari.
Gorari no le
we have bikes, motorbikes. Matilda, I think mchana go chinchengo taranda. I think you are a victim. Also kamwaiga kwalina. Also kwako ragaiga obisiga kwalina kwagenda. You see, you are not doing any practice. I'm not accusing you. The good thing you are here. Ngote bore. Ngota arore rakini yake. So yagerre ebinte bi obugima boito bwabeire. Buhabere so complicated boro bororo lakini tokenderete gukora the body structure kwa sababu no exercises bantu mbataitiko kora mazoezi bantu mbataitiko kora gassing kong. That's why abasaye nkioro chibakorera gasinji chigasinjiro andake chibwate chitagete chinguru chinyingi barabasaye bangi we cannot do that. Esengenchonga the setup of our life, the setup of chindagera tokuri, the setup of our daily activities. Sometimes nchirigo to anguru chiri omuntu oraende go sustain kobera no mjengo from morning mpaka saa 11.
Umanyete mienda and I think narenge privileged no mwaka 2022 mountain climbing kana twarenge kaina tukagenda Kilimambogo kagenda Longonot. Lakini do you know that 2023 kile gochaka nali nite Longonot nkaigora nande tuga onchukana ne creator bakatukaira nanse one umete nari ko boli aboni kana onyemanga. Okay, na wogoika lakini timu bado energy eri
chinguru chiri
bado ukagete nande asa mangana ega yuko hike. I think abasa ento ponente nande kora duela asa mangana ega sana.
I think so, yeah.
Asa mangana buna ike tunu na kirkia manga kwa mukari tukuri busa kwa gena watira kwa igoro kwa hirana ikiagera lero maite no nyechi dim chiachire. I think nande narora abantu obo chenu abakore obo chenu bagotebanga andake jima abantu no bakwira nengia lakini netakeire omonto okore physical exercise onye no gutara utare onye nege tunu okori nege tunu ngoro onye no komnyoka soka para minyoka yes onye no kore monye ukonyara gendo ulime lakini rende ase bigori biga bono rero
at 75 you'll be more of a
ikiagera umete mienda ochaka kogenda gym boniga emineti nkogenda ore on a daily basis ntobwati shida na muntu kwenda gym lakini emyaka 50 ire busi bado nogenda umete onye no kuminyoka umuntu nari kuminyoka bakuminyoka oyo ukorema abantu bakora kigaze muno ikiga cya mugengo konyora umubiri no strong abakunara Tewa itinga nyasai ti hatokonye.
Nabo kweke miaka 75, be it 70, 75, 60. Lakini bono, you go to 70, but you look more of 100. You see, you'll be worn out. Bintombiro tako. Bintombiro abagaka. Mugaka bono, mugaka bono luko rangango tarare. Lakini bono kera 75, iko more than mugaka uri no kora turikora. But all in all, Matilda,
yes,
there's things that you cannot change. That's where we are. That's where we are heading. Bono, onye into bono, ya Gen Z talk what about this generation Alpha? I want to ask you. Tumazo kwa bere na wana ba squeeze. Mado mwana wa kora all month atanya kuri bokima. Atagete chips. Atagete sausage.
Na kwa Juliet ito rero mambi. Ate wangange mitinye bero bono. Akorango bokuma mboli. Nande na bukuli obukuma lakini bwati mbokimaki. Meterero tali bantu bali gosie oli bwagachire bwetinga. Kwegunga emashini akwamire obosiboli nande bachikora rusige chunjuko. Lero bosio omuntu akogenda gale supermarket kwangusa boli grade keri getanganika kigima ande boli bwate actually metena nakagure ngento nkibwate skali koiranga skali yenga kitori kwekere test manye tenga konse bituma ichindagira chiga chibando njibwate skali
njibwate skali by the
yes
boli nando obukuma boli by the liri bwa warure mugondo ebiye bituma biye you can tell that this skali ne karataki nero so that is it Matilda so
lakini I think nane tubwente ko tema sana onyo mundu ko wate keginga seino kubwate ntire ndura nyare kwenyorera onye nagaticha kwa bika chingeni chiao
chire
bono mitomo cyane ndo bwate kana nonyo bwoyo no takakoreto bwechingo ko chingo kechigangi chikori ebintu birosiri
una Matilda why that's why the rate of cancer and tokina umaite according to recommendation ya chi bako di na mangana agriculture kero monto ko siara chinini liyogo igo wente ko writing is it 7 days
wente ko haber nande actually bako gani mburetu
lakini bono abantu bakwayerere sana abantu bakwayereryo siarere rero mambyo korere kwere ndo chisibiri no uchisibiri nando chirire chiro ayusing abantu rero yani tumadenga ngosene ebeso umuntu akorigi yagera umuntu akwarakisha chingeni chisiarire ryogo oire chiro chikoni bit neskuma linago and all those
lakini kwa chingeni kienyeji lakini chikemiko chibikira
nchiri kienyeji chikemiko chyo kachibikira ali chinyene go chire toxic nabo chireki nabo liriri na kulia gusi lakini kwanyoranga chikemiko chitumagete embu ya muntu nasi ariteli yo kuita maybe these pests lakini at the end of the day igara kisha kuri mugondo ayo go consume ayabano kuchikolia na ayo gwatomo chando. That is why we have complications. Matilda, let me tell you, a lot of young people by the way have complications chinyinge sana. Chi complication chirina gote bitu akagetenga andake na bagaka lilikuwa gotire
talinga young people bali otomanyeti onde bwensi it's either kiro muntu umete nabo kalero narengelinga kiro muntu na watu muchando ige kiro manyito muchando go aye ligere linjero gukoro muchando go soko deal na oraso bugimo ikiagera aho konyoro muntu kero muntu na wate shida yae bale naro wate chialsa ale buya pi kiregento lakini
Awa
chialsa yes naro ale buya pi lakini kwanyoranga nabwata condition gete kae kabene kiro mundu nabwate gento kiae keri ubwo gore injere kiro mundu awate kewa kiae in terms of
actually kiro mundu nabwate condition kiae
lero onyo ko konyoro mundu kale buya pi andeke bongo naro konyoranga nabwate disorder gete
nabwata disorder gete
yes
maybe depression maybe
enge buna neke wakiro mundu nawate angeri ae akegake tumage kiro mundu kiro rochenga andake mundu naro kware gukina no nyase school kwari kwaro mwana gite batabanga are erieta kiteri gotumikanga are cycling koirera boigo lakini with the time no kunya gukina wacha konyoranga nae akantu muchano uri kwabwate neri ngaki andake turi gochioko okubwa mono lakini nari gocha komanya kiro muntu nabwati kyabo agendrete godil na kiro kio asumo biroe eigo
lakini abo asibwate aba musongo wa mawazo kusitokoro kanga depression ebirengererie binge kebongo a large number of people like that abange
anda konye tawati stress abantu mbare babwate shida nere kuruku OCD kwanye konyorongo kubange bintu muntu cyo bango obangoro bangabye yes mbara
ne wana bensere you see nebintu gete biro that you cannot change by the you see not the way I think about the issue of dressing ngaitrabe already ayomo nyene no roche where we are our parents are claiming that in back in tego lakini we have changed. People are westernized. Abantu barengereye injira abantu bakora ibintu basongo gari. Tell you not only even dressing alone, including the way they are doing things. Mpaka ibintu bito adabiro koragiroko. They are copying the westerners. Even injira abantu bakora ndi no nechikanisa. Even the churches have changed. Churches have changed a lot. Jabere Kiregendo is changing. Every sector technology go change. Ya affect Kiregendo. The dressing, the way of worship. What else? Kiregendo. So if in tubo negato ikira stoikire and you can tell, especially from the girl child, the way you are dressing, then you wonder some years coming. Imiake gojere gochabusia linga. What will be happening in terms of our dressing? But then what you are praying kiringa. Again, tonkero ekebusi keritwara kotabanga the values. The values should be maintained. The culture, even if the culture in a way nkonya koerere, lakini the values, the moral values should remain to be there. Abantu tiga abana waketiga mbatara basa in the name everything is changing. Like technology has changed, so na ba change in terms of their dressing. Let us preserve the moral values. Into now, I think it's a good to consider the values. Yeah, the moral values. In Chirakwebe maskani, teto tutikare tuara maskaniari alengo. Much as everything is changing, the world is changing, the way things are done. But in terms of our morals and values, I could pray, by the way, nto tuara the change of moral and values. Much as things are changing, but let us preserve our values.
Lakini yo bonere jukumu se nchinae mienda boniga abantu bari to take advantage abantu bari to ikerera abakuru ekirora ales ekenyoro tara abagotu tara abantu bari banya goko aho bose
lakini
ikiagera kirokurigereria nga use kirogo interact n'abantu bamenyere umuntu berere na maukuru umuntu berere na sokuru nkonyoro nga n'abatu bungaini gete no mwana omugusi no mwana okinere terira bali ausi n'abate obosemya gete obungaini gete nchira nirakopa n'abantu kubo umuntu okinire atake na Bible abake boka atako genda atamanyiti muntu onde.
That is the effect now we are having. I think you Matilde binte bingi bigosarigera ndaye torigerelinga abaibuli abange bari abakore bamenyete bokanka. Majority of their children ngabare up country tutaba na Nairobi kigusiga ponte yange tumeke muno mfano inchenki sitawni menyete nkoreta abantu ngocha komenya okonyora ngo buguma bwane bore within Busongo onyanko gendanka I'll go for a few days na nkoraki in fact yabana bakogenda nje na boranyora ngati ndiko enda occasion singing status of my work bono nakinaro kubolinga nche I'm a beneficiary of staying with my grandmother. With my grandmother. I can tell today I uphold some good moral values, much as Rende. I know I hold. I uphold some good moral values. Esenge njana mnyeta na magokoro. they play a major role kushape obogima bw'omuntu in terms of morals. Actually, sometimes rabonda abe bunande simply because of that exposure na bwate with my grandmother kwara. Lakini abayibuli abake barero you see kero omuntu igata etekobera no mwana. That is why that the moral values are eroding. Umwibuli iga aromoke okuchikuligera umwibuli obwato mwana the way yago dress ero mwana has a problem in terms of the dressing.
Umwibuli ni gakinirite town
igakinirite town ero mwana when you look at the dressing, her dressing is questionable, like maybe they commit that caliber yo mwana mukusi kolenga una caliber alenge ero mwana igare questionable. Now think about mwana yo moke ukolan, and you know that children learn from their parents. Nga kiora ende jiro koko ro mwana ogo yangengia ego preserve maskani onya yo monyene bweka twego reti yange ego preserve maskani. You tell me, will it be possible? It cannot be possible. So kwanyoranga abana bange go bagokinirwa ta set up ye town pokonyorana na mago kuraba kuchikonyorana na so kuraba egere basome kigusi kiri basome the moral values yabe gente kereke kon. So where are we heading to? So it's all about me and you that we deciding ano ekigusinkero
zimbaratiro nchiroto
bwente kubwati and you
kere mapema abantu isikolge yevoni abantu abagotu bonsi bachakire kwenda.
Yeah, actually.
Yes.
Let me tell you.
Karanzo wako minga ema ukoto alingana moisone tahiyo.
There's a pastor I normally listen, but he's my favorite pastor. Akoro Pastor Mensa Otabil aromo Ghana. Ya tabanga buna boko nyaguki you see embera igere somewhere agahari. Mate buna boko nyaguki ya chasing the grip. So the more nyako grow, the more toko tabanga happy 25th birthday. Wana muna nja celebrated this month 2nd of August. Igonga na akeri mwaka. I'm really running towards the grave. So odete yo sabrete muntu makweli. Lakini our parents, if God deciding miaka nere rako ira sembera, you can tell our parents are nearing the grave more than us. Maybe me, I'm also nearing more than my children will come. Lakini rend the higher there's something they say, the higher is the cooler. Anyway, the more miaka konya kogenda, the more you are nearing to the exit. You are
lonely.
Wono konya kohera bale, konya kogenda bale. Miake yabo konya koherere, chinguru konya kokiachire. Nena maiso konya koherare. Kile gento konya kohera kire. So we are the ones who are there. What are we doing? We in tubona aba toji kuligirirwa andake na bana baitu. What will we tell? You see, my grandmother can sit and tell me, so what am I going to tell my children, my grandchildren? Even your grandchildren, your own children. Number one, let us solve with our children. What will be the setup of the family of your children? What could you be thinking about? Yani, inki kelioroche kera ngakibon setup wase setup ye family ya honga kigo chakoba. Ngakiota yetoko chakukimia abana bao in terms of chitabi chabo, in terms of kubaegeri nganki bakwente kokora ngakigo chako kubaegeri.
Kubateyo mugusimo.
Intoma eta Bible baitomba bwate kibara bata na magukuru. But with us, what are we going to tell them? Our children. Toko kora kurugabu. What will be the implication of our life to our grandchildren? Abana bao abana baito. What are we going to tell them before their parents? Awara wana bayo tell them. Into abanyenga.
Into bikora kane mitanda. Tali mangana anyway. Asa seme kino toke nto kwanira ya. Amangana yichi family. Asa mangana yo koba aba Kristo. Meta aba Kristo na barabu. I think ngana nire talikuchi ya kwanira mono. Mete to some Biblia. Twa some goro ya Christianity. Siguro yo kobo mo Kristo moronge. Yama yotoka nganonya sense moya mangana yobwege no kusoko amangana religion oka chisekinchira roro tufata aba Kristo tufata aba Islamu tufate abantu bakiraina babwato kwegena kore tofauti kama yakoranga segiende yachirenga andake kirokora chibicha mete mienda tokenga gokorengere gusininche chinarengere gobe kero kuri chibicha chire nonya na sevuko timi tusikanya para monto dress tubnae
asevuko
Chachiri kutume kanonya na sechi movie che Kristo.
Yeah. You see, when we're talking about the Kristo, the dressing, the talking should kibanta kor kibijeri of Kristo. So I don't want to imagining a movie of Kristo and someone is dressing awkward.
Yeah. To dress it awkward. Mbuyo odirobe te changa cha obronge. Mete I think ine ngana ya vere. Ego chiare tukungsa negative ntupata bantu the Jews ntupata bantu funabona Abayisilamu, Abahindi, Abakristo. Yato nga sebuku kutafutorenga Yesu garenge no mo Kristo. Abayisilamu. Tupate Abahindi. Timito sikwanyolere point ya. Nekero kuri no nyebiche ya Yesu nchirare ke what dress.
I'm one of the guys who have watched the video.
Toko genda city school. Musekirora ase amangana bunayaiga. Kwa research kigimo kwa manyanga obo Kristo muntu kyoyo.
Obo Kristo
mwegeno kuso muntu bwente ko bo mwegeno uyo muntu.
Obo Kristo tenda divine ile to Kristo Matilda. And good thing right on Friday. One of us day there in a what called
Friday to what mangana mangonya siasa.
Siasa Kristo. You see, when we are talking about the word Christian, it is called Christ. Yesu, Christ. I think Yesu na Nyasaye, I don't know. Christ, lakini Christ. Christian. Yani, igoto Yesu kona ngone roro indi bagariane acha gukonya umuntu tabwatie yanga umuntu tabwatie ndagera kona ngo Yesu kolega si lakini bon agato delegate, let me now say, aga delegate this responsibility watch as that we as human beings we should be Christian, Christ like. Whatever Christ could have done in tuni into to went to Christ could be here roiga ate yabantonga modresibi muragirbi. But as a Christian minche bona sami ndo kubwati Christ. Bona as a Christian I'm here to tell you. So being a Christian means that you emulate. Yani gwento kubwati chimbaratero chia Yesu na Nyasaye completely. Yesu yo era gukananga bantu mbaitwa. Yesu gukana twibera muntu. Yesu yo gukana tokore bintu bya machika korangana machikari komi. We should be doing that, but now we fail to do it because we are sinners. Yes. But when you are called a Christian, by the way, when you are called a Christian, you should do exactly what Christ could have done.
That's
why yeshajite ko tukwera umusaraba.
Kwanya gwikaransa kwarigereria sensemo yobu Kristo gose nonye chi doctrine chonsi amangana alionsi nonya yalikire akurigereria akumurikira obu Kristo oso kwegena kwa omuntu kwaranga chigapu nchiraro
by the way. There's a lot of gaps.
Chigapu nchiraro chinyingi sana.
Chigapu chibo Kristo nchiro. Timaitinga inchinare ko tabango obu Kristo percentage according to me, Tindo Jingo was someone to narrow 20%. Not even the pastors. I'm not, you see, let's say the truth. I'm here. Not even, I'm not talking about pastors. Not about what responsibility you go to. Lakini, not even pastors, not even, I mean everyone. 20% because negarama kobomo Kristo to be Christ-like. You look at the setup Yesu kararenga sensei what he could do. Nga yikwa roche Nyasaye na etabante iboko barenge kanisa imi. Iga baite iboko simply because bakorete ibibe. Andi bakora maya kona ngomba iri iboko. So
once kolengera limono ko be atheist. Ko muntu tabati utariko again.
No, but I'm trying to say that when you look at what Christ did the opposite of what people thought. Akagenda mwazakayo renge tax collector. People who thought like muntu no munya bibemano. Musubati naro konyoro kolero bunyaka karetwa atakawa kwa magana Nyasaye ko boring ayaye. Onya na tura akora kebe rihori mwake abantu bagake mbona. Koyuri. You see, Yesu did something that majority of us could not attain. If that is doing what Christ did, that is Jesus, then it means we are a long way to go. That's why now saying 20% bantu barek. I'm not accusing anyone. I'm not saying that our pastor now people say no never Christian never. But it needs a lot to be a Christian, to do what Christ used to do.
Lakini yato kana ndenge tofauti ni raro. Asi ukwege no kwega. kwanyora ng'abantu babwate uko bagikana kore omete nkotebe kore ng'aki as buno omonto obwate okwegena ase omotongi oitaba abantu bonse lakini yatoka ng'a nche n'omukristo ori n'omoisilamu ntori gochiamu.
That's what I know now. You have indicated me. Yes, at least now, waikera nirie 20% kwa yule.
Nganje no mo Kristo, ori no mo hindi.
Ori no mo hindi.
Pona era yigere common. Nje no mo SDA no mo Catholic.
That's what I'm saying.
Nje no mo Catholic no mo SDA. Tuacha kuruana ntutoka wakuminga obo Kristo nkai.
Karatigana, bon otaratigana yuka. Aba SDA ababoka, aba Catholic ababoka, bado nandi nkuruana bari among themselves ababa nyene. Otararete seginga no mo Catholic, no mo Hindu, no mo what. Kara njuga no buraibweka. Kanto bado mbabwata chise within the churches. Mbabwata coalitions.
Nonye kanisa yamo. Si nonye na sama baga yo burai kosi injira abantu bago tofautiana.
So, no njere to bwata coalitions in politics. In Kenya kwanza inazimio. You also have coalitions in church. Abantu bago support Mauricia A, bago support Mauricia B, Mauricia C. Barbatari support kwaya
Kristo mborobio boiga borito soma sebi.
So I think toko gendra kwana even 20% yaliane I think go very 5% because of what is happening. But all in all we are trying. We are not discouraging abantu mba bwati chimbara terechia Yesu. Onye Yesu could accept even the sinners. Montori orangera tinganda ke no montoro mo bayo ta mwanchirane orokyo bwanchana. Tera gatoteba nga orokyo bwanchani.
Koma abanchinare kusa konyora bali bali gesevuko anko nimbota mabuli amange sana.
By the way nje nimbota amange sana.
Mabuli naroro. Ikiagera bukoligere nga aba Africa tagatungo ne skin ngozi yemwamu. Lakini kiro koligere sevuko koenda.
I think that was just acting by the Matilda.
Lakini koligere sichi bicho chiri chitumekire. Konyora nga chionsi pi eba mwete kubeka.
Honestly. Yes. From what I read from the Bible, that we are the image of God.
Yes.
Yani, kemwanya banto into we carry the image of God. No mo Songo, no mo Somalia, no mo Africa. We are carrying the image of God. If you look at Abasongo, na weva, Abasongo buna barabara, leave alone the completion. You'll see them into Africa. Everything the setup buna into. You mean we are the image of God. The only thing that differentiates us maybe ne skin color, the completion, but
of Africa, they evolved.
No, human. According to my own observation, chi movie chichi nyinge chiko kwane regore ya Nyasaye chire chia basongo maite into mbono togendete gukina. Look at Kenya, we are still developing. Abantu begite kumanya mangana echi image echi chi TV echi chi camera echi na basongo. So baka incorporate baka act baraboka. I want to be living a Yesu in one way na mu Africa. Abantu abaleta techi movie echi batanga ni go barenga basongo esengenjora bumba igete koigo kama iso before us. That's why ekaba. But I could have wished one day na inchi torore aba Africa ba worked. Una Yesu maybe ya go tara machi. Everybody is doing a movie.
No, mienda kiro koligere chinse chinyinge no nyasa rugongoro Africa. Ekere atokire ngo montongo tembale ko bioka okorokana ogotwara power sigete igabara ibande kuro chinse chionsi batanyare gotwara abangenga ibakogenda rigire no nya abantu bagucha batwara abantu bagucha bakora biyasa mugana nonye innovation na na pako toko nonyo mo Kenya okolire ko seko imukire wakolire kintu getekere extraordinary lakini yamo tukabera tatonga yogotoka kwa iriru kwa rusi wase kwa rusi goro ngoro Africa mwagenda akili enacho tumekara
ali ngombo batirende what is there Matilda yaba Kristo bali mwagenda tokonya kuyaliga ni weekend yeye bali mwacha kwenda chikanisa what I'm trying to say nkelinga tetwaro kyo bwanchani macha sobo Kristo na bora abo bakon to be a Christ-like. lakini tema sana especially for Kyobwanchani where you can support, please support people, where you are able ko konyo mondo mokonyo egere nga tukaendelea kusiga toro sento ikero gotoreka gwakare nakare
ase ovo Kristo Shakahola season 2 massacre 2 years ago hundreds of bodies were exhumed from Shakahola forest in Kilifi. The victims, including children, had starved to death after being brainwashed by a cult. Authorities vowed never again, but now bodies are being unearthed at Binzaro, kwa Binzaro, Asanda kwa Binzaro, 30 kilometers from the first scene of horror. Shakahola season 2 ine gazeti ya Daily Nation iyeri tuko riare gazeti ya The Daily Nation nga amangana ya Shakahola bono tore season 2 kuna movie muntu akorigereri Hotanga 32 number 32 abantu emebere meronge 32 yanyare kurutiwa ase chinseme cyo chimanyakanete buna kwa Binzaro forest in Kilifi. Ase amatukata na biraerire ine mbere y'abantu gwetane 30 bayitire babekire ba enekire gose batubirira sambaraba ase chinsemecho county neri ya Kilifi. Shakahola season 2 komanya kwebolya ovo Kristo as a Christians okwegena nkoroki umetene kinabolera naki kiro muntu nabwate dini yae lakini yamanya kutoka nga edini yao wakati mwingine ukuikunga uko feel like ine kopa spiria adena boy kutoka nga abantu bechi dini kwa ranga abantu bande ngusira bale lakini mwate banga singi nche dini yabo te bakoraki usine dini yawe ko parafu tikabakoraki tikabasire
umaite entonkere nachire ko realize rero igachikanisa isa korigere chikanisa chiabere chinyingi rero gusukaga iga ekenyore ime matoke ime kwanyore kanisa nero wasiko jeme simate kwanyore kanisa nero wasiko gochia mete mate kwanyore kanisa nero chikanisa chiabere chinyingi sana mpaka chinde they are very questionable. Look at when we had the issue of Shakahola egenteke yo kiarenge kyo gukumi sana because abantu batindo by the way, do you know Shakahola nyende bagendera gutindo kora abantu konanga bara nabange bari sana. I want to believe abantu bado mbarari in Shakahola forest as abantu
kolekana ne serikali ebere yalinge 400 and
ile matila ne ya serikali yete katika kupara kwa sababu I want to believe nga ebere yalinge
ndio mwancho murigere kelia serikali ya confirm because you've never been there tumayiti Shakahola ngaki ukwigwere county ya Kilifi kwanyo goikaroro emebere wetani chiminye lakini bone ganga asema tukata na bira yetire eyende 32 yanyare ko bage koruboro kura ase akurukura kwa Binzaro
bagendere baketoke the same thing of course 400 according to the government but that was a huge number bono chimani njire kendana kwa ndenkaringa chidini njire chiachire chigo potosha abantu chiko mislead abantu. In fact, let me call them cults. Even though it Nyasaye deals with these sacrifices, dealing with even to get very inhuman.
Do you know that talibono chiacha?
Talibono chiacha.
Haven't you heard? None kuro hasevuku kuonga. None chidini chiare ngora. Abantu mbabwato kwegena. Baka ngakinere nchara yaso ete Yerusalem. Abantu bakali baka abana
bandi. Nigente to igurbono ende nago te Matilda nkelinga chidini chinchiro haven't you heard abantu bako human sacrifices much as in the experience but abantu bako human sacrifices for money, for rituals and all those bono chi mani nchiro chi achire chimbe una nago te kanisa mbere bi achire. I'm not abusing churches. Kanisa mbere bi achire pakke binde you don't even chikanisa biti chikanisa oreba kanisa nchire chi achire tomaite the genesis of this, the basis of these churches. So even your children, we were talking about the values. Talk to your children inga bona bona wako chako join by the admission sinjiga ndreta se chi university and colleges batch bagende batch baende school by resenga you can naboko nyora chi mani get chitari chingia chiko led by your friends ngatoka ndo chigaiga kero mundo tigamanya ekanise yako chi Where is the genesis? Nande kibakorandi. Are they preaching yobo nyasaye gosimba bwate other means echo kole bintu apart from go blackmail abantu nga nyasaye bakorandi? Maybe there's something secret they are doing. Kero montama nyenge dini yako chi kanisa yako chi nereliye the basis ye kanise ne registered was registered. Egreto chakonyora to avoid the issue of Shakahola. If people were responsible, we couldn't end up to Shakahola. I think kere individual level, and that's why I try to insist. Never an accident. At some point, the near at an individual level. Chakora debanga serikali waziri bobo and we metara so and so. But ayomanyene, what are you doing? You see, you cannot fall a victim if ayomanyene you are careful. If you're saying where is the basis? What are we trying to communicate to other people? Is it over Nyasaye or say there are other means? You see, if you find out that the church you are going under keteri kanisa ebwato puya, then quit. What if nchenae to quit, nonda quit. Even this person not the wate na agenda gete, tago chakonyora bantago wate ni agenda na bara. Lakini we are the ones who to potosho bono ngatoka ndiko chia tokolega for us to continue lazima to oru omwano or weseno wherever sacrifices and everything we call it tengo kenda we call it as you whatever then quit. You see, we fall victims we as into abanyana a common mwananchi because we don't take serious life. After gwachiro gwatumira wana liko chakoteba wa serikali sijui nini after I gwatumira ayo mwenyene kwiro. The government cannot do something about the Shakahola people, the victims. I want to tell you, if those victims were like, again, take a talk and a for a whole month, what is that? So, Abantaba never responsible in terms of the denomination. We say, can you say, and not the activities that that church is doing, so that we don't fall victims. You see, we can avoid that.
Nchiro chinge Shakahola nchire gusi chinge nelinga ki andake inchira bako wa manipulated nigerere ngao usinchira bako wa misled nero nigere tofauti nikoro ntwabwate mangana umurai wense ka ko oseba kuchingira nande ukwa titi engane ya NYS mete timete usike nekironge natebetiko ukwarukiwa nkuigore kero abantu
ukwarukiwa I think Matilda
yes no nyechi monyo ngotebugore ngachiarukigo chiakoriki riri chiaturagigo chigosoka
no ukwaruka is a form of a graduation.
Yes, a graduation. Omugiga gete enyangi geta abantu baokorero kero bari kubikira chiguto kose bale uchingiro ritukore igoro. NYS intake to rise from 100,000 recruits get whatever recruits get quota in police hiring. Kuru 18,000 niko barachiko kinya bali bako chekobe kwa sababu chikokore miremo ase NYS ase miaka usebachi comment kana mu baru ikoro 18,000 weka emia achirivu emia yemo mwancho muligiria aina ya hare ase gazeti ya The Daily Nation tukwate mu governor Barichok we county ya Bomet
Barichok yes
kwa gude nere mbeo ya ansire ko kusenchira gete
Barichok mai
nekero o governor Dr. Eric Mutai we governor we county ya Kericho nerage ndete kwirwanira
in fact that oyo nde
apo nichi jirani umaite bono kero mundage ndete kutare
even the governor of Nairobi yo that
governor yes aba MCA
bata geto como impeach
yes banyarete ko beka karansamo kusigati aba MCA bakabiki urengereria mu bakatebanga mu governor Sakaja
are incompetent
I think onye county ni rere nkomu sana korana ande
Nairobi
nse ya Kenya
Nairobi, I think umuntu osaveti a whole term. I think in Kidero week. But from there we have never na Sakaja Nyakara kore if it is possible. You see, Nairobi is very critical. I think in Jonga, Nairobi is the backbone of this country. Even planning in Nairobi, you see, Nairobi is hard. Land mass na bayra nkapi, lakini population ero ni yere nyingi. Like Nairobi, you have to be smart enough to ensure that even you balance your politics and you balance your development. Kiregento no kirari. Abaraya bonsi people from MPs no konyara bamenyete Nairobi. abange babo even the president wamenyete Nairobi, even the majority of these governors nabo muntu areke gusia no mugavana gusia guse no Nyamira guse wherever, lakini abo atumuchoro araria Nairobi. So Nairobi is a very critical county. Geta geto muntu upstairs yae eko work properly, like
ando muntu akoremere mona abantu
okoromwende mona abantu. You know how to balance between the politics of the day and how do you balance development.
Kulendekerogo
you balance development. Take into account we have a proposed removal from office by way of impeachment. Yomo governor we county ya Kericho. Na again that by today we shall have known ngaye kwende yako genda uchi. Kwa sababu the governor had issues with the way voting ya korakanete, because he is arguing a system ya tumekete ngoya arengenya na ande nebwate mechando to a point like out of the 47 MCAs babwante go vote chikura ba yani bara sensemeri ya Kericho 33 na watakire the 2/3 na watakire agara impeachment yue quorum mweli itakere impeachment ikirane, lakini he is arguing that aba MCA 18 they never voted na ande mbaru bagete kura unwillingly, like they never voted willingly korere. So by today nkomanyarenga ngiye what will happen as NSMU.
Gazeti ya Taifa Leo nero ni bwate omugano yose page ya kabere gote wa magavana waelekea kizimbani bono njira abagavana batakire kumurekero akigime umurekere mugavana uyo Barichok we county ya Bomet na lingana linene asi gazeti ya Taifa Leo hana siri hana siri ningo
Gachagua is a truthful man.
Utako nyara kugacha tunaro taliko taikende yes.
He is a very truthful man.
Ngano nyeri chiko riraro rikorenda gose riko chika buna muntu nde bwensi ne mono ase bali ase biroko byoburai bwensi na boigo aba waziri mbabwanete kolenda engana yoko ukogacha siri ya serikali yes. Ubo bisi bwa serikali no bwa serikali lakini njirego tebanga umusikeri gadi Gachagua ukwane bakostaliri oya kwane ronsi ali obo bisi buli amanyete ikoro serikali ubwasi olire bwensi umugano indi gora page ya kabere ase gazeti ya Taifa Leo nero na boigo Samia pazuri kutoa urais bila upinzani ndo chenga ansi ya Tanzania nero mbanya alete kuligia ore opposition leader
Tundu Lissu
kamo tange njiragete elinde chikotoka nga abantu bago chikotoka ro na bakumwamiria Samia Suluhu nigo bali batari abatimu kikima.
Demokrasia ya Tanzania is much far away. It is the same thing by the na demokrasia ya Uganda. You can't, at least Kenya
bosibore no
bonge and demokrasia it much as ntraikira but if there is a country that demokrasia are very wanting, it is the issue of Tanzania and even Uganda. I'm not accusing them, but they are our brothers, but we know what happens. Look, there's no difference between Tanzania again to Samia Suluhu akora, even Magufuli omanyana na agekorete, even those who have been there. Look at Uganda, Baba Bobi Wine wachigocha kisa base jano mata sari. You see, so demokrasia yobo sibori boko kora chikure chibe free and fair mborare
page hiyo ya kabere afweni kwa walimu waliofutwa abalimu mbale bali banyalite ko butwa kusibanyalite kutigwa emirimo bono mbachikonyora pension yabo page hiyo ya kabere se gazeti ya Taifa Leo na gazeti ya The Standard yeri tukoria lero whatever you are dispensable ebwate bicha yo oyore muwaziri wobo chenu Umaskaden Duale whatever accountability an attempt by Healthy CS Eden Duale to castigate this paper on his social media handle and Kenyans coming down heavy on him, telling him to his face to resign bono abange ni gopagenda tukumubulenga nonye Muskeden Duale otamire ko oro kiabuna na watu mokia ugo sira gosibuko ne kibuna wizara yobochano ngo koriere byemense ya Kenya bakenya bange nibo bagendete kumukura bono nganyare gwetigia emirimo as 24 billion Kenyan shillings feared lost in SHA misses nga ase umurubiri osha chibesa chinyinge chanyare koba chigo sira ase wizara iyo yobocheno mwancho muri ine gazeti ya The Standard yerituko riarero na boigo e gazeti ya People Daily. Now there are heartless killings in the North Rift. Families burying loved ones as bandits keep striking and taking innocent lives despite heavy presence of soldiers on the ground. Page ya kane gazeti ya People Daily koro kiabona asichinse muchiri cha North Rift ni gobono aba begu bibago bigendete ko gose bagendete kuitana barabwase barabo bete banda bega North Rift talinga torate bangana Al-Shabaab bago chabaswaro
ikingerikegani
neza ku bioka biko bakurwana barabwase barabo
ikingerikegani ni bintu bya biro bigendete kobo lakini rendo we as Kenyans tupenta komenya an environment that we accept ourselves as Kenyans nonyorete to gutwara mochando galia asomo bakonarok. Was it, where was that? Chiseme chiko cha South Magiranga, I think.
Chiseme chiti cha Transmara?
Yeah, Transmara, I think. We had those. So, but telling Al-Shabaab, we are just communities, Chimbewechi. And when you're talking about Chaba, Baragoi, Nini, these are just tribal. Mangani yobo kesaku. Lakini all in all, we are Kenyans. Ntubo ntikomenya asegete, where we don't feel comfortable, and we are all Kenyans.
Uyu mugano urase page ya kana iwe na chi county jirichire ase North Rift bagenderete gutwara cyabo baringo bagenderete gutwara emechando kigima napoigo nkotebere nga chinse mo chakwale ndoche abasaye kusie ubuke bago bwebikundi byabasaye bagendete comment kana
ebikundi ni
bagendete ko ebeka se bikundi byobusalia
unemployment. There's an issue of unemployment yakeremere meta yo kanyaranga okonga initunga tanda ko chiato korobo sali onyale pesa gete. You see, that is the once there is unemployment, the rate of crime yakoba yoro kanyaranga umuntu naro kuganyere ta ko ibere simi achikoni umuntu naro kuganyere ta ko ibere gosene ufa ko nyomba ko ibere gosene bikoro ta ko ibere gosene yanga achikoni. You see, that is the cause of unemployment, especially to young people. And there is no way to actually solve this issue of unemployment. You'll find out that people are even being recruited, which is even this Bikundi be Al-Shabaab. Correct.
We go a different Oroba says game has just started following Auster. Almost Senator Mochore, Kurasiri Variagusi, Wasoyo Kabiro Senator Mochore in Sekiam
Glory
Roba, Nigono Chagotavanga, Bono, a game which I get Kigma.
Namuroche, by the way, Namuroche Parliament.
Take him with Sunday, I think. Nabatemete Kigma, Nigagan the Tokurandanga, Inkige Kogera, and I can only no button in any way, Kiama, but Ricobuatia, Richico, so chika weke gambero.
Omaite, there's a difference between.
I think Oroba, or Tembre go be a one of Nagashago, might Oroba Nagashago.
Omaite, Gloria is no different, Matilda. We have seen leaders, but then say I can't have force issues. Raila, after elections year 2017, he went ahead to show himself. Also, the his only role is fighting, but he's fighting a losing battle. Matilda, we are in a country that things work the way they are. In Chonga, Karole nominated MP, nominated MCA, nominated senator. Your survival in that seat will depend on 100% loyalty. We call it loyal kwa sababu ekene kiama kekoete imiru. There's a difference between abantu bona boni halwale is not agreeing with the UDA, lakini kwa uroko ba kurusiwa oli gachorire oli mato muntu chorire, you don't joke with that person. Na abwate immunity kurwa sabantu gachorire
mo senator Sifuna
baba Sifuna. Lakini when you are a nominated one, your loyalty depends on the party. They can
ande
pa kurusio
immediately mitandao kwa account ya Kericho. Nkagirete ngaba MCA abasubati bari wako chitege tipa tinga tina manyabuya ikirenganki kyalenge ninki kyagirete abasubati bari wako chitege mete chibunge chechi county cha bere bikone
nakina atabaranga inche by the time maybe nyasao konkonya ngobo mujumbe. The first thing we need to pass is that we need a clear asegete enchirehe unabono. Let me tell you, I've been following step by step the impeachment ya Governor Mutai. Tinda miss any point ana watch it. Esenge nchero. Tutaite tutuare a website geto kusine a channel gete e koroke what is happening in this county government assemblies. We need to know kekekendrete.
County assembly.
Ntuwente kumanya. No, Raila should now step ahead and say things like this. Ingi kekekendrete as county government assemblies. Taringa chikamere go chikobekwa kero tutaitenga kounga there's an impeachment motion. A special thing about the impeachment motion of a governor. Naliocha kuiga ba msi bagocha indi turaigwa bago debate a matter of egetacho gete karasi gete that funds were allocated there bese chinchike chikoregasi they are debating, they are scrutinizing the CECs of these counties. Nki tutaikorra ba MCA bago bolia maswali mu governor kusiba kubolia aba CEC aba waziri aba kusina abechinde merobechi county amaswali bakuboli unatokorra bunge na senate yokora. What is happening in this? The only thing you hear aquí, we have a special sitting. Nkiki either bago etia budget Waseba they are doing an impeachment motion. We need to know what is happening in these county government assemblies. As Kenyans, we aren't. By the way, what is happening? And people don't know what is happening in this. Kericho. Ndikuwa iwete bunge ya Kericho. The only thing you heard of Kericho County Assembly? Impeachment of that?
Impeachment ya rengi nande.
The last time na iwete was the other time Baro go impeach the governor. Nando Avera all over 10 months. And it's an impeachment. Talk about the other time we are talking about Nyamira. You go Kunga and Ake is a special city. But it's a impeachment. What have you heard of Meru? Now Robin Bono go Guringa, but it's called an impeachment motion. The same to Bomet. No, even the speakers, we don't know them. We don't know those MCAs.
Nyamira le romba irana ebunge.
Bara agenda mashinani kidogo. Anyway.
Kisi nero ntaramanya.
The last time na iwete ya Kisi we had an impeachment ya Monda.
Ekroto wate na ndia mangana ye Clark.
Ye Clark. Yani, in short, conclusive linkering aquí, keroji segichire is when they need cameras. We need to know there is a channel that should be there to count the governments. Very serious one. Toma itenga what is happening in these county governments.
Yes, mbia mono mancho murigira no tokora apa sinsemo ya usasiri tukuria rero tukuria juma tagitia mwana mange bano basi gekonge akotawa good morning Matilda na Sam akotawa watching live kora sinsemo cha dawa Katari wikasobo nyamasivi akotawa tuko pamoja kegima ndoche na fanke rero banyara kose egatia bali banyara kulika ujumbe chabo nerevu ya kubasogeri. Grace Ombati akoteba confirm listening and watching from Kenya Vinge and my granddaughter Shani mbia monokeima Isaya Morema umochokoro kiuka akoteba kurachinze mochemba kasi Nairobi mbia mono sana Eli Mwache Olivia akoteba good morning to you Bonventure Mobisa akoteba wakire bia Matilda ye agotebere Boniface korochinse mochiri chakiro musocho no ari miyombo bere goika omwere kore nengo kora togocha na voi kontupate Barnabas na ndate good morning Matilda Kemi mbuya mono sana Christopher Tandi korochinse mochabo rangi Kenyambi no morugyoe na abana imiyombo bere amayane gochasia abaralia abaito tana boiga mashabiki onsi korende nigondo chenga gotuma engora gochase amate yaye yogosiria asogosiria anti yaye nyaboke okongo korachinse mocha sengereri nyareti Nyasaye aremie ekenyoro na boigo abairi mbia mono kigima Nyasaye abaremie Edwin Omwenga otakorwa Nyamanagu Nyaguku present and watching live Oguka wa Ushago agoteba live korachinse mochiria cha Nyangusu Bukinami village Rigena Teresa Kemto agoteba kiramo korachinse mochiria cha Karatina mbia mono sana wancho murigire abonegati abali bageneza usanga na inte wate uyo Alfaxad agoteba good morning Priscilla Nyasaina na kikwane Zain Kerry mbia mono kigima Nili Mandela na boigo na banda bange vero valshita mbia muno sana ase ogusanga na intu ase mambia bona Alfio Mugambi nake bwakire good morning na boigo ntobate yoiga umanyekanite buna engineer Seth Oga. Okay, engineer Seth Oga dochenere agoteba good morning. Good morning. I wish you a fabulous Friday and a happy preparation day full of God's blessings to you to mbia mono sana. Uyu Seth Oga mwancho murigiriria na bande abange usionye tina nyora ujumbe yao nafuto chakogenda gusanga ase umurobiri oiga bose uche weekend kera turachikumura naso umurobiri bwetwani nafuto kugendera gusanga kurinde wiki ndochinga asenche nabo yabinye ngake lakini ngarete ngakwabire okobumwege no kima akira imambi ime umurobiri bwetwani yagetembe bonsi mienda litukeriga niri abantu kogenda ebiriro abantu bakokora kose preparation day chesaba na sabato bunaye
murembo njasayo banaino naende komo kwenda matanga, be careful and bari mwasiriri abamino toko basabara nyasaba echinguru chinga kiechi mubwate omakongu na bari mwenda kanisa happy Sabbath, happy preparation day. Mugenda gusabira ense ya Kenya, musabira abarayi, musabira abasaye, musabira no nechi family egara nyasaga ndere gutoma rembe no bwanchanikira rituko.
Engora ya beno chesa abasani bonsi onde bonsi uri sireti omoibori sireti omwana wae ozo sireti mama toe onde bonsi engora enene abuigo engora ya beno gochase familia ongwae omugaka ongwae. Yes, oyo olokorwa baseme.
Mwasiri. Ndama.
Okay, tari ngore nene ekiagera omurugi oyo omo. Omurugi oyo monasirete. Ngore nene ere yabe ne kigema. Ochase are.
Yeah, sure by this. Yeah. Namanyete, but a good thing kwa Anteviri. Encheti antume ngore yane on my own behalf, gochase family.
Amatuka tata kwa Iran. Yes, a stepmother to our former governor.
Okay.
Yes. Mwancho murigirira asenseme yo no to korera ekyo. No korera morobiri muto andi tukerigare ijuma. Yoko bateri kuba sonyoko konya wasi morasto morabunanchi na gosabira okubwana. Kwa wangu cross studio ya Gabriel Nere Mike Wills asensemo iga naringenere mienda sam enchinguru kwa Matilda. Oyo ubo baigwa twara ejumengia twara ritukorio kwarigania sabatorigia nabaigwa nyara kwevanga nabaigwa kwarigania weekend yao asinjira ere eyo mongoso kigema ase woniga bye bye tomera ne chinga kichinde.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.